Welcome to Super Safety Services, manufacturer and exporter of personal protective and industrial safety equipment. The company was incorporated in 1988 at Mumbai. Our state-of-the-art systems and technically sound infrastructure help us to cater petrochemicals, fertilizer, construction and glass sectors. We are well known in the market for our excellent logistics support, customer-centric approach and efficient distribution network. Our product list includes brazing torches, cutting nozzles, and flashback arresters. We offer premium grade welding safety accessories and cutting welding torches. Welding holders, welding and gas cables are some of our best-selling products. Our welding regulators, MIG and TIG torches are a class apart. Along with that, we provide welding curtains, shield and blankets. Our welding and cutting machines are one of the best in the industry. For more details, log on at www.weldingproducts.in.